What are the essential aims and principles of criminal law? This video explores the objectives of criminalization, public prosecution, and the capacity to commit a crime. Discover the foundations and implications of criminal law in society. Criminal law forms the backbone of the justice system. It defines acts that may result in arrest and prosecution. Crime is conduct leading to moral condemnation by the community. The justice system aims to convict the guilty and protect the innocent. It seeks to stop reoffending through punishment. Crime is defined by law as any act punishable by penalties. Professor Henry M. Hart, Jr. describes crime as conduct leading to community condemnation. A crime is formally condemned by judges and juries. It represents society's moral judgment. This legal process reflects public interest. Criminal law differs from civil law in its objectives and procedures. Substantive law defines the rights and responsibilities in court. Procedural law governs how substantive laws are enforced. Criminal law focuses on prosecution and punishment. Civil law addresses private rights and remedies. Crimes are categorized by severity and punishment. Felonies involve serious offenses with imprisonment over 1 year. Misdemeanors are less severe with shorter sentences. Capital felonies may lead to the death penalty or life imprisonment. Violations cause modest harm and carry fines. Deciding what should be criminalized involves complex considerations. Law and morality often intersect but differ in enforcement. Legal obligations carry sanctions, while moral codes evolve. Society's values shape what becomes criminal. Understanding these dynamics is crucial in lawmaking. Deterrence aims to prevent future crimes by instilling fear. Specific deterrence targets individual offenders. General deterrence influences the broader public. Severe punishments serve as warnings. They aim to reduce crime rates by discouraging potential offenders. Incapacitation restricts an individual's freedom to prevent crime. It removes offenders from society. Common methods include incarceration and house arrest. Execution is used in extreme cases. Incapacitation aims to protect the public by isolating criminals. Retribution seeks justice by punishing offenders. It prevents personal vengeance by ensuring legal consequences. Society feels justice is served when punishment is adequate. This enhances trust in law enforcement. Retribution reinforces the moral order. Rehabilitation aims to change offenders' behavior. It includes educational programs and counseling. Rehabilitation can be combined with incarceration. It is often used for nonviolent offenders. The goal is to reintegrate individuals into society. Restitution involves financial compensation to victims. It punishes offenders by requiring payment. Restitution covers physical injuries and property loss. It can also include emotional distress. This form of punishment aims to repair harm caused. The Crown Prosecution Service prosecutes cases in England and Wales. It operates independently of police and government. The service decides which cases to prosecute. It determines charges and prepares court cases. Victim and witness support is also provided. The Code for Crown Prosecutors guides case decisions. 2 stages are involved: evidential and public interest. The evidential stage assesses evidence strength. The public interest stage evaluates the need for prosecution. Both stages must be passed for a case to proceed. Prosecutors must ensure evidence supports a realistic conviction prospect. They assess evidence reliability and potential defenses. A realistic prospect means likely conviction by a jury. Cases failing this stage do not proceed. Evidence strength is crucial in this assessment. The public interest stage weighs factors for and against prosecution. Prosecutors balance these factors carefully. A case usually proceeds unless public interest opposes it. Both evidential and public interest stages must be passed. This ensures fair and just legal proceedings. Standard of proof determines evidence needed for conviction. The burden lies with the government. Prosecutors must prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. This high standard protects defendants' rights. It ensures only strong cases lead to convictions. Legal capacity affects criminal responsibility. The insanity defense can lead to not guilty verdicts. Defendants must prove lack of understanding or control. The monotone rule is widely used for insanity claims. Mental capacity claims impact legal outcomes significantly. The insanity defense involves proving legal insanity. Defendants must show they didn't understand their actions. The monotone rule focuses on cognitive awareness. It requires proving mental defects at the crime time. This defense affects trial outcomes and sentencing. Monotone's case established the insanity defense. Paranoid delusions led to his actions. The jury found him not guilty by reason of insanity. The defense requires proving mental defect and lack of awareness. It remains a crucial part of criminal law today. Various standards define legal insanity. Monotone focuses on cognitive incapacity. Irresistible impulse involves uncontrollable actions. Substantial capacity assesses awareness of wrongfulness. These standards shape how insanity defenses are applied. Mental capacity claims influence trial outcomes. They affect sentencing and legal responsibility. Successful claims may lead to not guilty verdicts. They highlight the role of mental health in law. Understanding these claims is crucial for legal professionals. Criminal law aims to balance justice with societal protection. Through prosecution and punishment, it seeks to deter and rehabilitate. Understanding its principles is vital for legal professionals and society.